Okay, Chef Mohammed's now going to make Keema Rice for us. He's got a wok on high heat. Splash of oil. Some raw onions. Those are going to cook very quickly, very high heat. Chef was just saying that they like to work with warm rice and warm cooked basmati rice when they make a special rice dish to help it stop sticking. Half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, half a teaspoon of salt. That's about a teaspoon of mixed powder, maybe slightly more. Turn the heat down so the spices turn. A surprise ingredient. Also, I presume that also stops the spices burning and deglazes the pan. Yeah, it's a bit juicier. Right. So he's now putting in a very generous amount of keema. Squashing it down straight into the meat. So I'll turn the heat up back a bit now. Mixing the rice in. As I said, it cooks dry but warm basmati rice. Because this technique comes from many years experience. Would this be like a double portion? Yeah. That's a large container. But that's a very generous amount of rice. Keema. Let's turn the heat down a little bit now. Bit of coriander. You can hear that crackling sound, which is a good sign. It adds flavour. It's done. So what I'm going to do, Chef, if I may, I will take some of this. Oops. I'll try a little bit here. The smell is great. Yeah, very nice. Actually on the bottom now, it's sort of, you've got nice little crunchy bits that add flavour. But yeah, it's very nice. Thank you for showing us.